Unboxing and first impressions of the Einhell TE-CS 18150 circular saw. This is a 18 volt cordless circular saw. So let's have a look what's inside the box. So as we open it up, first off we have the usual manuals and stuff, so plenty of paperwork. I'll pull that out. That's the guide, so clamp that on and it'll just give you a straight cut. And then the saw itself in there, it's all packaged up. Okay, so first impression is that feels quite a nice, well-built tool for the money. If I have a look at the blade that it's got on it, it is quite a thin blade, and it does just have a little bit of the tungsten sheaths on it. So again, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it looks quite a nice little circular saw. What it doesn't include, bear in mind, there's no batteries or charger with it, so you need to buy those separate. So that's just my first initial look at the saw and the blade. One thing to note, actually on the blade itself, is this is 150mm diameter, and the saw itself will take either a 10 or a 16mm bore size. A lot of the blades out there are 20mm. So again, Einhell do a model, but we need to just see what the others do. Okay, thank you for looking, and look out for the next video where I'll be showing you how I'm getting on with it, ripping up some pallets. Okay, thank you for watching.